You can turn choppy markets into clean trades. I'm talking a high win rate on consolidation breakout longs. And here's how you can do it. In the last 30 days, PulseFlow tested this setup at an 84.3% win rate across 400 plus trading pairs. I will show you the manual method so you can do it on your own charts right now. Most traders pick a larger consolidation range. This example 2.77%, and they trade the edges and get destroyed. That is not consolidation. That is noise. So how do you spot true consolidation and trade the breakout with precision? If you like this kind of breakdown, please would you hit subscribe and like, it really helps, thank you. Okay, now let's get to the rule. Draw the range high and low. This gives you the consolidation box. Now measure it. It must be less than 1%. This is 0.89. If it's greater than say 1.5, just skip it. No debate, no forcing it. No, close enough. Over 1.5 is not the setup, it is noise. Now price should be sitting around the middle of the range, which it did here when it came back into this fair value gap. And this is the setup we want to see before the breakout. Like that. Now let's look at this example. This is a very clean consolidation breakout, less than 1% again. The breakout is strong, the move is real, but I would never take this trade. Why? Because it's already gone. The moment it broke out of the range, it just ripped up. So the risk has changed. The setup may be good, but the entry is now bad. And that is where traders get caught. They see a breakout working, then they chase late and get in somewhere up here when the move is most likely over. And that is not precision, that is emotion. So this example is useful, not because I would take it, but because it shows the discipline needed. A clean setup is not always enough. The entry still has to make sense. No pullback, no clean zone, no trade. Let's look at this example. Beam X USDT. Using one of my trading view indicators based on the algorithms within PulseFlow. You can see the tight range here, 0.96%. There is a fair value gap in the middle of that range and price has come back to it. That is the entry area, not chasing the breakout, waiting for that pullback. Now let's look at risk. We need our old friends order blocks. We're going to set the level to around 3%. This line here is the trailing stop from this trading view strategy I wrote. PulseFlow is also recommending 3%. So we're about right. Now let's look at profit target. There is a bearish order block above, which looks like a reasonable profit target. So we have a 1.54 R&R. Not perfect, but workable. Now let's let this go. There is a drawdown. That's why we have our stops. They protect us. And it got there. And this is exactly the kind of behavior we want to see. Defined entry, defined stop, defined target, and eventually 4.6% profit. So when you follow these rules, you limit fake breakouts. You stop trading every messy range. You stop chasing every breakout candle. And you only focus on the clean setups. Tight consolidation, less than 1%. Confirmed breakout. Fair value gap with a break of structure. Pull back into the zone. Defined risk. This is how you push your win rate higher. Not by taking more trades. By filtering harder. Fewer trades. Higher accuracy. No more guessing. If this helped, please would you subscribe, like and share. You can watch one of my other videos down here and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.